Good morning, dear children. I am your social science teacher. Children, in 5th standard, you have learned social science as a single subject. But now, we grown up 6th standard. You have studied social science as a 4 headings or titles. Okay? The 4 are history, geography, civics and economics. Okay. Now in today's session we are going to start in one in history lesson. The lesson name is what is history. Okay, ma'am. Unit 1, what is history? And next, learning objectives. Learning objectives to know what history is all about and to understand the importance of history. Next, we learn about the lifestyle of the prehistoric man and to know the paintings, pottery, the daily activities of the prehistoric man, and last to understand the importance of history and the historical resources. Okay, then this lesson is a conversation between mother and a daughter. Okay, now let us understand the lesson. First of all, how to tell time in history. How to tell time in history. Dear children, time in history is calculated in years using BC. BC means before Christ or before Common Era, and AD. AD means Anno Domini or Common Era. Okay, so this is the time in history. Okay, next we learn the what is history. What is history? History is the study of past events in chronological order. Chronological mean is the order in which the events of the from first to last. Okay, so it is the meaning of what is history. Okay, and next we saw the term of history. What is the term of history? The term history has been derived from the Greek word historia, which means learning by enquiry. Okay, that is the meaning of the history. Okay, and in this model, you will learn about the study of various types of historical sources and its importance in the construction of history. Okay, then historical sources. Historical sources are the foundation to understand a particular era back in time. They help us to gain knowledge about important events, inventions, cultures, civilization, and many other aspects about society. So they serve as evidence in the construction of history. Okay, children. So sources of history is the very important in the history. Okay. So sources of history is divided into two types. One is a archaeological sources and second one is a literary sources. Archaeological sources. We saw the picture, you know. They are archaeological sources. Coins, monuments, inscriptions, artifacts, and then literary sources are secular literature, religious literatures. So these are the sources of history. Okay, students, in this session we discuss about the introduction of history and the sources of history. So do you understand this lesson? Okay, thank you children.